Looking for a budget automatic Toyota? This Toyota Corona GL might be the perfect buy and drive option for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are looking for a budget automatic car, a classic Toyota sedan, or a reliable Japanese car for daily use, then today's video is going to be very useful for you. In this video, I'm showing you a Toyota Corona GL, 1990 model, available for sale in neat and clean condition, ready to drive. This car is perfect for people who want a comfortable family car, smooth automatic transmission, and Toyota's legendary reliability. Let's start with the basic details. This is a Toyota Corona GL 1990 model, equipped with a Toyota 5A engine and automatic transmission. The engine is original Toyota, well maintained, and known for its durability, fuel efficiency, and smooth performance. If you know Toyota engines, you already know that the 5A engine is famous for long life and low maintenance. The automatic transmission is working perfectly, making this car ideal for city driving, traffic conditions, and daily office use. If you're tired of manual cars and heavy traffic, this automatic Corona can be a very comfortable option. Now let's talk about the condition of the car. The car has new dent and paint on the outside, giving it a fresh and clean look. The inside is seal-to-seal genuine, which means the interior is original and well preserved. Seats, dashboard, panels, and trims are neat, clean, and properly maintained. This car truly gives a clean Japanese interior feel, which is rare in cars of this age. The car is fitted with Kabuli alloy rims and tyres, which not only enhance the look of the car but also improve road grip and driving stability. The tyres are in good condition, making it a buy and drive vehicle with no immediate expense required. One of the special features of this Toyota Corona GL is the factory AC with cool box. The air conditioning is working, providing comfortable cooling, which is very important for daily driving, especially in hot weather. The factory cool box is a nice bonus feature that adds to the premium feel of this classic sedan. Fuel options are also flexible. The car is running on petrol and LPG, giving you better fuel economy and control over fuel costs. This makes it a good option for people searching for low-cost running cars in Pakistan. In terms of driving, this car offers a smooth, comfortable, and stable drive. The suspension is soft, road grip is good, and the overall drive quality is exactly what you expect from a Toyota sedan. Whether you are driving within the city or on longer routes, this car delivers a relaxed driving experience. Now let's talk about who this car is ideal for. This Toyota Corona GL is perfect for people looking for a budget automatic car, buyers searching for a used Japanese sedan, families who want a comfortable and spacious car, office users who need a reliable daily driver, anyone who wants a classic Toyota with low maintenance. If you are searching on YouTube or Google for Toyota Corona for sale, Toyota Corona GL automatic, budget automatic cars in Pakistan, old model Toyota cars, used Japanese cars Pakistan, then this video is exactly what you need to watch. Now let's come to the price and location. The asking price is 7.50 Lac PKR, which is very reasonable considering the condition, automatic transmission, original engine, and clean interior. Finding a Toyota Corona automatic in this condition at this price is not easy in today's market. Round pushpin location. The car is located near Aladin Park, making it convenient for inspection and test drive. This is a neat and clean, just buy and drive car, with no major work required. Serious buyers are welcome to inspect the car personally and judge the condition themselves. Before ending the video, I want to say one thing clearly. If you are looking for a solid, reliable, comfortable, and budget-friendly automatic car, this Toyota Corona GL should definitely be on your list. White right pointing backhand index for more details, price discussion, or inspection, please contact inbox. If you found this video helpful, thumbs up sign like the video. Repeat button share it with friends who are looking for cars. Bell subscribe to the channel. We regularly upload videos on used cars for sale, budget cars, automatic cars, Japanese vehicles, and urgent sale deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Contact inbox for more information.